Hello, Anga Fabriano here. So, on this occasion we want the gunning potting drone there. Using the DJI Air 2 as drone, manually using the DJ Fly application. Okay, let's go straight to the DJ Fly application. Yep, the drone is ready to take off. We will fly at a maximum height of 110 to 120 meters, according to the regulations in force in Indonesia. Arming takeoff.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
We are already at a height of 50 meters. Well, that's Mount Potting. We immediately took a position to take a portrait of Mount Potting in Potting City, West Sumatra Province. So, let's test one photo. Later we will just estimate the interval. So, let's shoot again. We move to the side. We changed the drone to a slow model. So that's how to take aerial photos using a drone manually without a flight path.
Fly with caution.
There was a warning that a commercial plane was passing by. Try to make sure the entire object is not cut off. We are at an altitude of 106 meters from the takeoff point. Let's keep shooting at intervals of approximately 5–10 seconds. So this is a manual portrait using a drone. Let's just relax. No need to rush. No need to panic. Okay, keep going around the mountain fields. Later, I will share the results of the 3D mapping of Mount Potting for free. You can download it or just have a look. I have included the link in the description. Transmission signal is interrupted.
Return to home.
The drone automatically asks to return. Let's go back to the starting position. We continue the mission. This manual mapping can use any type of drone, as long as the camera is good. DJI Mavic Air, DJI Mini, Hotel Can and various other drones. You don't need to use Drone Deploy, or Pix4D, or any other mapping app. Manual can also be used for mapping. We are almost finished, until we return to the starting point of taking the photo. The weather here is cloudy. There was even a drizzle, but we remained determined. If we have found the bracelet, we will immediately map it with a camera angle of -90 degrees. We tried to get the above image of the mapped area. Okay, let's go straight to the top of Mount Potting. Our gimbal will point downwards. Kita Langsung Jepret Laji. Our reference here is an image from a Google Maps satellite image. So guys, you can see it on the map. We make our own route. Let's immediately turn left. We turn right and return to the top of Mount Potting. We're back again. We just have to go a little further to the left, namely to the right of the drone. We turn right. Task completed, we return to the point to land. So that's our home point.
Return to home. Landing.
After this, we will immediately process the data on the computer. We transfer the photos from the drone to the computer. Then we use the Agisoft Metashape application. Okay, we're on Metashape Pro. Let's immediately add the data from the photos. So, let's block everything, the photos we took earlier on Mount Potting. This is the virtual display position of the photos above. We immediately batch process. Let's add the first process, align the photo. Medium, then we add again. Build dense cloud medium quality. Next we build the mesh, choose the medium one. Then build texture, select medium. Build tiled model, select medium. This setting is free, it can be medium, low, lowest or high. And this is the final result of photo mapping using a drone. This is a point cloud. And this is the view of the dense cloud. View of the wireframe. And the final result is like this, the 3D texture of the model. For those of you who like this video, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and share this video, so you don't miss the latest videos from our channel. And for friends who want to download or see the 3D results, the link is included in the description for free. Sorry if there are any shortcomings, and see you next time.